Hello dear students. Today we will start with Geography, chapter number 7, part 1 of the chapter Lifelines of the Indian Economy. Likewise students, lifelines in our body, arteries and veins are there, which carry blood from one part of the body to another part of our body to make us alive. The same how for the well-being of national economy, there are some lifelines which was required, which there are some lifelines which boost the national economy. Now, in this chapter, we'll study that what are those lifelines, their features, and what are their types. So, we start the chapter with the lifelines of national economy with an introduction, or we can say an overview. The pace of development of a country depends upon the production of goods and services as well as their movement over space. Likewise, in the previous chapter, manufacturing industries, we studied that raw materials are converted into finished goods. So, once the raw material is converted into finished goods, it is taken to the market. So, how it is taken to the market? Movement is required, and this movement is fulfilled by those lifelines which we are going to discuss in this chapter. Efficient means of transport are required for fast development, for taking those goods and services to the market, to the demand place. The movement of goods and services from supply to demand location is very important, and it is done with three main domains, and they are very important also. Those three main domains are land, water, and air. Movement of these goods and services can be over three important domains of our earth, that is land, water, and air. Based on these, transport can also be classified into land, water, and air transport. Today, the world has been converted to a large village with the help of efficient and fast moving transport. Transport has been able to achieve this with the help of equally developed communication system. Therefore, transport, communication, and trade are complementary to each other, and they all equally play a vital role in boosting up the national economy. Now, as we discussed that road, water, and air, so let us first of all discuss the first domain, that is of land, that is roadways. Now, if I talk about roadways, India has one of the largest road network in the world, aggregating to about 2.3 million kilometers at present. In India, roadways have preceded railways. The growing importance of road transport, vice versa, transport is rooted in the following reasons. Now, if we talk that why we prefer roadways over railways, so there are some reasons behind that. We prefer roadways because the construction cost of road is much lower than that of railway lines. Roads can traverse comparatively more dissected and unundulating topography, means mountainous region, desert region, forest region, coastal areas. Everywhere we can have easily roads in comparison to railways. Roads can negotiate higher gradients of slopes, as we have seen in Leh and Ladakh, and as such can traverse mountains such as the Himalayas. Laying railway lines in Himalayas is not possible. Road transport is economical in transportation of few persons and relatively smaller amount of goods over short distances. It also provides door-to-door services, thus the cost of loading is much lower. This can be easily explained with an example that suppose a book is there. Via railways, first of all, railway will not come to your home. You have to move to a nearby railway station, that too with the help of roadways. After that, it is loaded, and when it reaches to the destination, again it is unloaded, and it is loaded again into a means of road transport and is taken to the destination, where again it is unloaded. So roadways provides door-to-door services which railways do not. Road transport is also used as a feeder to other modes of transport, such as they provide a link between railway stations, air, etc. Now, roadways can be classified into 6 parts. First one is your golden quadrilateral or super highways, you say, national highways, state highways, district roads, other roads, and border roads. So let us first of all discuss the golden quadrilateral or the super highways. Now, golden quadrilateral or the super highways. The government has launched a major road development project linking Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Mumbai and Delhi by 6-lane super highways. The north-south corridors linking Srinagar, that is Jammu and Kashmir, and Kanyakumari, it is in Kerala, and Assam, and east-west corridor connecting Silchar in Assam and Porbandar in Gujarat, means from north to south and from east to west. 6-lane super highways. The major objective of these super highways is to reduce the time and distance between the mega cities of India. And this golden quadrilateral super highways are maintained by National Highway Authority of India Limited, NHAI, National Highway Authority of India Limited. Now, the next one is national highways. National highways link extreme parts of the country. These are primary road system and relayed and maintained by CPWD, who maintains this road, who lays down this road, Central Public Works Department, CPWD. A number of major national highways run in north, south and east-west direction. The historical Sheshasuri Marg is called National Highway number 1 between India and Amritsar. Now the next one is your you can see the highways highway map of India. One more map is there. Here you can see the national highways. Now, after this, let us talk about the state highways. Roads linking a state capital with different district headquarters are known as state highways. Likewise, if we look at Uttar Pradesh, the highways which link Lucknow with major district headquarters like Lucknow and Gorakhpur, the highway which links, it is called state highway. And these roads are constructed and maintained by State Public Works Department, that is PWD. National highways by CPWD, state highways by PWD. Now the next one is your district road. So these roads connect the district headquarters with other places in the district. These roads are maintained by Zilla Parishad. So national highway, golden quadrilateral or super highways, they connect north to south corridor and east to west corridor. National highways, they connect the capital of the state with different district headquarters. District roads, they connect the district headquarters with other places in the district, and these are maintained by Jilla Parishad. Now the next one is your other roads. Rural roads, which link rural areas and villages with towns, are classified under this category. These roads receive special funds under the Pradhan Mantri Gramin Sadak Yojana. Under this scheme, special provisions are made so that every village in the country is linked to a major town in the country by an all-season motorable road. Now, next one is your border road. BRO, Border Road Organization. Border Road Organization constructs and maintains these roads. This organization was established in 1960 for the development of roads at north and northeastern border areas. These roads have improved accessibility in the areas of difficult terrain. Military operations are also made comfortable with these roads. You can see in the figure also. Now, further, roads can be classified on the basis of the type of material used for their construction, such as metalled and unmetalled roads. Now, metal roads may be made up of cement, concrete, or bitumen of coal. Therefore, these are all weather roads, means you can use it in every season, whether rainy or other seasons also. Now, unmetalled roads go out of use in the rainy season. Now, about half of the roads are unmetalled, and this limits their usage during the rainy season. On the other hand, the national highways are inadequate too, means they are lesser in number. Moreover, the roads are highly congested in cities, and most of the bridges and culverts are old and narrow, which causes traffic jam. And the last topic is road density. What is road density? The length of road per 100 square kilometer of an area is known as density of road. Distribution of road is not uniform in the country. Density of all roads varies from only 10 km in Jammu and Kashmir to 375 km in Kerala, with the national average of 75 km. So look at the difference in road density. What is the national average? It is 75. But in Jammu and Kashmir, what is the road density? 10 km. But in Kerala, what is the road density? 375 km. Road transportation in India faces a number of problems. Keeping in view the volume of traffic and passengers, the road network is inadequate, means smaller in number, lesser in number. Now students, in this part I have tried to put a particular topic of roadways only. So first of all, let us have a quick review what we have studied today. So we started with the name of the chapter, Lifelines of National Economy. I gave you an example that like arteries and veins play a vital role to make us alive. They carry blood to each and every part of the body. Means that from the where the blood hello yes so like arteries and veins play a vital role in making us alive, they carry blood to every part of our body. The same how transport and communication are also the lifelines of the national economy, as they carry the produced goods to the nearby markets, to the demand place, from the production point to the demand point, from the supply point to the demand point. So in this we studied that there are three major domains by which these goods and services are transported from one place to another. Number one was your land, number two is your water, number three is your air. So the first one was your roadways. As we discussed about the different features of roadways, in which we talked that there are about 2.3 million kilometers of road at present. In India, roadways have proceeded over railways. Why? What is the reason? Because construction of cost of road is much lower than that of railway lines. On the other hand, roads can be constructed on the higher altitude also, and in the desert area also, in the coastal region also, in the hilly region also, in forest region also. But laying railway lines is not possible in those areas. So roadways have an edge over railways. Road transport is economical in transportation of few persons and relatively smaller amount of goods over short distances. It also provides door-to-door service. I gave you the example of the book. Thus, the cost of loading is much lower. Road transport is also used as a feeder to other modes of transport, such as they provide a link between railway stations, air, etc. Now, roads can be classified into following 6 classes according to their capacity. Number 1, golden quadrilateral or super highways. Number 2, national highways. Number 3, state highways. Number 4, district roads. Number 5, other roads. Number 6, border roads. Now let us first of all discuss the golden quadrilateral or superhighways. We studied that golden quadrilateral or superhighways, they join the mega cities from north to south and from east to west. It joins Srinagar to Kanyakumari and Silchar in Assam to Porbandar in Gujarat. It also joins Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata and Kolkata through again Delhi. And this is constructed and maintained by National Highway Authority of India Limited. After that comes the national highways. National highways, they link extreme parts of the country. These are primary road system and relayed and maintained by CPWD, that is Central Public Work Department. A number of major national highways run in north-south and east-west direction. I also told you that National Highway number 1 is historical highway. It is also called Sher Shah Suri Marg. It is between Delhi and Amritsar. After that, we saw state highways. These state highways connect the state capital with different district headquarters, and it is constructed and maintained by PWD, Public Works Department. After that, we discussed about district roads. District roads connect district headquarters with different places of the district. This road is constructed and maintained by Jilla Parishad. After that, other roads. Other roads are found in rural areas. They are also called rural roads. These roads are made under the special funds granted by the government under the Pradhan Mantri Gramin Sadak Yojana. Under this scheme, special provisions are made so that every village in the country is linked to a major town in the country. And it is all season motorable road. Next one was your border roads. In border roads, we discussed that it is constructed and maintained by Border Road Organization. Border Road Organization it came into existence, it was established in the year 1960. These roads have improved accessibility in the areas of north and northeastern border areas where difficult terrain is there. Military operations are also made comfortable with these roads. After this, we talked about what the other classification, that is metal road. It is also called Pakka road, and unmetal roads, it is also called Kacha road. Metal roads are made up of cement concrete or bitumen of coal. Therefore, these are all weather roads. Unmetal roads are the Kacha roads, so they go out of use in the rainy season. After that, we discussed some of the challenges of the roadways. That is, about half of the roads are unmetalled, and this limits their usage during rainy season. The national highways are lesser in number too. Moreover, the roadways are highly congested in cities, and most of the bridges and culverts are old and narrow, which causes traffic jam. At the last of the topic, we discussed about road density. What is road density? The length of road per 100 square kilometer of an area is known as density of road. And the density of road is not uniform all over the country. On one hand, the national average of road density is 75 km, but it varies from place to place. It is 10 km in Jammu and Kashmir, and it is 375 km in Kerala. Road transport in India faces a number of problems. Keeping in view the volume of traffic and passenger, the road network is inadequate. Thank you, students, for your generous support. Have a nice day.